Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Terraform for Azure, updated. Begin by installing Terraform and Azure CLI, then create an Azure Service Principal for secure access. Use a clear folder structure and start with a small resource like a storage account. Practice state management and use remote state with Azure Storage. Study provider documentation and build reusable modules. Test changes with Terraform plan and apply in a sandbox subscription. Learn core Terraform concepts by focusing on providers, resources, variables, outputs, and state handling. Practice writing simple configurations and run Terraform init, plan, and apply to see real changes. Use remote state in Azure Storage with locking to avoid conflicts when collaborating. Explore how modules encapsulate infrastructure patterns and how workspaces separate environments. Regularly review plans to prevent unintended resource changes and maintain predictable deployments. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: Bento Box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers that stack neatly, seal tightly, and save time during busy weeks. They slide into backpacks and fridges without spills, and they are perfect for lunch on the go after long lab sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Practice by creating a sandbox project and version controlling Terraform code in Git. Build a small network, a virtual machine, and storage to learn resource dependencies and outputs. Create a reusable module for common patterns and test it across environments. Add CI checks for Terraform FMT and Terraform Validate, and include Terraform plan in pull requests. Keep state remote and secure, and iterate frequently to convert mistakes into lessons.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.